All right, shout out to these boys that are working super hard. I think they figured out a way to do this with no equations, which I love. I'm going to show you how to do this one with an equation, and then we'll go through it the other way and see if it works. So the equation is cosine of theta. So theta is the angle between any two vectors. So if you have a vector u and a vector v, theta is the angle between those two vectors. To find it, you use this formula. Okay, cosine of theta is u dot v over the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. So u dot v, that's -5 times 4 plus 8 times 12. Okay? The magnitude of u, the magnitude of v is the square root of 25 plus 64. So it's the square root of 89. The magnitude of w is the square root of 16 plus 144. So it's the square root of 160. So on the bottom. So look, this looks super complicated and confusing. You're just saying that the cosine of theta is -20. Oh, I don't even know how to do that. Place -20 plus 96, I think. Is it 76 on top? Okay, and what's radical 89 times radical 160? Just give it to me as a funky decimal. Keep going, Nathan. Okay, so then we do second cosine. 3, thank you. 3314. So then to get rid of cosine, you do cosine inverse. So do second cosine of this, and your answer will be this. Okay. Now, did anybody try it like Alejandro or your way? I like it. I think you're right. So here, let me do this. Here's the other way to do this one. And I do believe that Alejandro is right. This is faster. So he said, you know, when in doubt, make a picture of it because he's smart. We'll call this the blue vector. So this is left 5, up 8. So he's like, just find this angle. What's the tangent inverse of 8 over 5? So this one is 57.99 degrees. And then he's like, well, then just sketch the other one. Right 4, up 12. And then do the tangent inverse of 12 over 4. 71 point what? And then he's like, well, you got 3 angles that add up to be 180, and you know 2 of them. To find the third one, you just use subtraction, and does it give you 50.4? Certainly quicker. Boom!